On your knot block, you might well see this beautiful thing here, and that is the reef knot, known as the square knot. Let's tie one now. So, the reef knot, often used in the sailing world when tidying up a big sail on a windy day, folding it up and then tying the sail back together so it's tight and it doesn't come apart, using the famous reef knot. The reef knot sometimes has a rhyme to it: left over right and right over left. Whichever side you start with, that's the side that you're going to put over the top. So from the camera's perspective, orange over blue and tuck it under, and now orange over blue and tuck it under. To test whether your reef knot is a good reef knot, push and pull whilst pinching both sides. And it does this two wonderful interlocking horseshoes. It's a beautiful knot, quite satisfying to tie. So, a couple of different ways to observe or to watch what you're doing. So from your point of view then, from the camera's perspective, left side over right and tuck it under. It's the side that we're talking about first, so that's what we mean when we say it. Left over right, and over means on top of. Left over right, pinch and tuck the left under. And now right, because this is the right side of you now, right side over left and tuck it under. I'd like to see you being attentive and thoughtful with your fingers and your hand control. Left over right, notice I'm pinching, gripping, turning, and right over left, grip, pinch, turn, tuck, pull. Have fun with it, folks, and try tying your reef knot. When you think you've got it, would you like to try closing your eyes? Can you try tying it behind your back? And can you attach your cord around other things? Perhaps a chair leg or a friend. Best of luck. Good reef knot tying.